Well, good day, folks. This is your boy 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀, and I am coming to you live here. Now, what you're looking at is a program that I've been seeing via the 𝗪𝗘𝗘𝗞𝗟𝗏 zone, and I had paid absolutely no attention to it. I had paid absolutely no attention to this program whatsoever. Now, me utilizing this platform, I advertise on here, and I try to find stuff that I can use that would help me. Not only build my lead list, but to get sales as well. But I'd been ignoring this because on top of this, I was like, what kind of program is this? I didn't really dig too deep into it until this morning. It was by happenstance that I was looking through, and one of my Facebook friends had posted something, and it came up on my timeline, and he was talking about 100 get 100 highly responsive leads for your business. I was like, okay, well, that seems like a pretty cool idea. You know what I'm saying? Pretty cool, because I'm trying to increase my lead flow to put the numbers in my favor. I also have another program that I had that generates leads. It's like a one-time payment program, and it's MLM Recruit on Demand. And I've been using it wrong because I hadn't picked up the phone to call nobody. I wasn't, in that process. I wasn't, because it's just more work than I want to do. But I'm having to come to a standpoint where I'm thinking, like, in my brain, where something just chimed in my brain to where it said, is it going to be the way you feel right now? Because the way you feel right now is, are you going to, shake up and wake up to make your dreams come happen? Or are you going to keep accepting your reality? And I just kept saying, dreams are reality, dreams or my reality. My reality ain't that bad, but I would love to have more. I would love to wake up and have $10,000 weeks. I would love to do that. And the only thing that I can say is that would make that possible is that if I get up on the phone, if I introduce this, and I do as many, if I get on the phone, if I send emails out, if I send text messages out, and I make as many exposures for my business as possible. Because the business is set up. The business is set up for you. It's kind of like you have to get on here, get on the phone, make things happen. I mean, even if you pick up the phone and those people talk crazy to you or whatever have you, if they don't pick up the phone, if it's a bad number, it's whatever, pick up the phone, email something out, text message something out, send something out that people can utilize and use, and give them a reason. Give them a reason to join you. Now, one of the things I also saw is that, and I was watching another video for a company, and one of the things that the guy said that stuck out to me, he says that you can have all the funnels and everything like that. You may know how to do that. You can have the funnels. You can build an email list, a subscriber list. You may know how to go out and get traffic. You may know how to do this. You may know how to do that. And that's cool. But the people who have the best success in business is having something that everybody can do. Now, I want that to stick to you. Anybody can pick up the phone and call somebody. All they have to do is face their dream, be willing to make their dreams happen rather than face the reality that's happening to them right now. And I think that's one of the things, like I said, that's one of the things I've been so on to this lead thing. And I actually took a step forward, and I got the system this morning. It wasn't but, $30, $60 to get 1,000 leads. Then too, once you start referring it, it's going to give you 200 leads a day, and then it's going to pay you on top of that. So I talked about all this stuff, but it's just exposing people. Now, I'm not going to be like these other people on this thing. I'm just giving a review of this and I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on what I think it is, on how it does for me, because I watched all the other reviews, and I'm not trying to sit up here and say that this is the best thing since, you know, sliced bread, and it's not. So I even took the upsell this morning. I took the upsell, spent like $89 on the system, so I can have the email swipes as well, the discounted email swipes, because I think it's $39 after you don't take it, you know, take the upsell once it turns over. So it was $29, but I think I could have wrote better emails than what they had, but that's just my honest opinion. I think it's better if you do write your own emails, because you can put your own spin on it. You put a little bit of yourself into your emails versus utilizing other people's wordings. I mean, some people will judge you. Some people are grammar Nazis, and they will judge you on how well the email's written. If you have misspellings or whatever have you, I'm not that big of a grammar Nazi. I mean, what's important is how, I think when I see an opportunity, is how much money can it make me versus how, you know, somebody spelled a word, or, you know, utilize a paragraph, whatever. I don't care about that. Some people just weren't that great for students. When it came down to doing, you know, writing class or English class, it's one of the things that's so trippy. Anyhow, yeah, but this program, like I said, it pays you. You get 100 extra leads, so it's 200 leads, 6,000 leads a month, and then you keep those leads, and you can email those leads on a daily basis. You can choose to save up and bank up your leads, and once you bank up your leads for the week, then sending out your emails, you can do whatever with those leads. You can download them into a CSV file, and now they're your leads. You can utilize them. Like I said, you can take this program and market it. But like I said, I was looking at other people's results, and it seems like they were getting really good results. I don't know how much of that was fugazi, but I'm not going to sell you this if I don't think it's real. So I'm going to give you my honest review within about a month or so. It's not going to be within a week. It's going to be a month from now, to let you know if this is the, you know, best thing since sliced bread. And if it's something magical happens, let me say not a month. If something magical happens within the next couple weeks, then I might shift that. So, with that being said, this has been your boy 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀. I want to remind you guys to be blessed, not stressed, always be motivated by success, and I'll see you guys on the beaches of the world. And if not, I hope to see you at the bank cashing a big check, man, because, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's one of the pre-written letters that I use too. And they have training back here too. And marketing for this. But to each his own. Peace.